In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your restaurant menu completely free. Now, the reason a QR code is so useful is simple. Menu prices or items often change, and instead of reprinting paper menus, you can just update one digital menu and your QR code will always lead customers to the latest version. The easiest way to do this is with Canva. Go ahead and log in to your free Canva account. On the home page, type Restaurant Menu into the search bar. You'll see a lot of templates. Some are paid, but you can filter by free to only see the free ones. Pick a design you like and click on Customize this template. Now, just edit the text, change item names, update prices, and even add food images if you want. You can also duplicate pages if your menu is longer. Once your menu is ready, instead of downloading it as a PDF, I recommend publishing it as a free Canva website. Just click Share in the top right, select Website, name it, and publish. This gives you a unique link to your live menu, which you can update anytime in Canva without having to change the QR code. Now, copy that link and head over to a free service like tinyURL. Paste your link, shorten it, and then click the QR code option. Instantly, you'll get a downloadable QR code image in PNG or SVG format. Save it, print it, or place it anywhere in your restaurant. When customers scan it, they'll see your online menu, and any edits you make later in Canva will automatically show up through the same QR code. That's it. Free, quick, and super practical for keeping your restaurant menu always up to date.